morning. Myself Dr. Lakshmi Shri KT, Associate Professor and Head Department of Veterinary Anatomy. Veterinary Anatomy is one of the preclinical subject in the BVSc and AH course curriculum. As per the Veterinary Council of India, Minimum Standard of Veterinary Education 2016, the veterinary anatomy is having the 4+3 credit hours. That means 4 theory and 3 practical hours in a week. So mainly in our department, the teaching is the main, then we are taking the research and also the extension activities. So according to MSV 2016, we are collecting the bodies from the under the Willard Body Program and also from the postmortems. And also we have developed different models and the computer simulations and videos to teach the students in BVSc and AH. According to the BCI MSV 2016, the students are studying veterinary anatomy, which include 8 units, including where we are completing the osteology, arthrology, myology, angiology, neurology, aesthesiology and also the histology and embryology of the various different organs or the regions of the body, mainly dealing with the cattle, and then comparison with the horse, dog, pig and also in case of the fowl. And also we are correlating this with the related wild animals, which will be helpful for the forensic anatomy. This is under BVSc and AH course. So this veterinary anatomy they are studying in their first professional year. And also our department is recognized to take the post-graduation in veterinary anatomy, and presently the students are admitted and they are studying in veterinary anatomy course. Under the research program, see CAFSU funded projects we are completed, and also the one BIRAC Srishti funded projects. So we have the department as well equipped with the different equipments which is needed for the to take the undergraduate program practicals, and also we are having some higher end equipments like semi-automatic microtomes, deep freezer and the trinocular research microscope with CCTV camera and also stereosome, which will be helpful for the PG program, PG research program and also the staff research program. And under the extension activities, we have developed the museum, which includes the skeletons of different species and also the various organs, soft organs of different species for the study of the UG program, and also for the various students coming from the different schools and colleges in and around the Shimoga, and also the farmers which are coming for the trainings. We are exhibiting the museums under the extension activities. So the knowledge of veterinary anatomy is very important for the students, which will be helpful for them to understand the next courses like physiology, pathology, medicine, nutrition and also the surgery. Thank you.